Hi everybody, this is Vanessa, owner of Rossi Coasters and Candles. Just would like to say hi to everybody and let you guys know what's going on in the store. We now have eucalyptus and peppermint and lavender gift baskets. So if you're looking for a really good gift that's handmade, come to the right spot at rossicandles.com. We also have a couple honeysuckle and jasmine. We also have the Practical Magic. I got a bunch of Practical Magic gift baskets ready to go. I still got a couple, I got some of the cotton candy, and I got Ocean Breeze. Cotton candy is basically, it's called Bibbidi Bobbidi Booyah, but it's the cotton candy fragrance. It's just named that. And I have a couple of those. I have a ton of Ocean Breeze, ton of campfire marshmallows. So guys, if you're looking for something, go to rossicandles.com and you will really like these gift baskets. You can also buy the products separately in there if you'd like. I just made the Bibbidi Bobbidi Booyah cotton candy whipped soaps, and I actually just used it in the shower and it was great. I can still actually smell it. But there you go at rossicandles.com. If you guys need any help with anything, like you don't know what you want, or you just want something but you don't know what, I'm always here. Just ask me, Vanessa. So guys, I just want to send out peace and love to you. Peace and love. And hopefully you guys have a great day today, and we'll connect and hopefully do some business together. So go ahead and go to rossicandles.com, and it's on the top. You'll find all the listings of and just place an order. All right, guys, bye.